Jai Hind. Recently, we have seen a podcast, Tesla's CEO Elon Musk and Zerodha's CEO Nikhil Kamath. In this podcast, Elon Musk appreciated Indians' talent and especially those engineers, scientists, entrepreneurs. And he is also saying that for their strong role in building America's technology and business sector. And now we have been facing a tariff crisis with America and India. And H1 visa is such a visa which is only providing for those who want to do job in America. And Trump announces that if you are for H1 visa, they have to pay 100 million. Means it is a very huge amount for any H1 visa holder. That is a very, and so I think Elon Musk is appreciated Indians. Jai.